Hello everyone! Today we are making a cherry blossom inspired fruit tea. Now, even though the name says cherry, we are using rose flavor to bring out that flower taste. And to make it even more so, we added some edible flowers on top. The season is changing from winter to spring, so let's make it as flowery as possible. For this recipe, you need green tea, rose flavored syrup, cane sugar, lychee flavored popping balls, and some edible flowers. The flowers we got from Amazon, but the rest is from us. So start by brewing your tea. We use jasmine tea. You can add any other tea base, but we recommend green tea as it's a fruit tea we're making. Brew the tea based on how many cups you want to make. We recommend using 6,67 grams of tea leaves per 200 milliliters of water. And we let that brew for 7 minutes. Then, while the tea is still hot, you add 3 pumps or ladles of rose flavored syrup, and then you add 1 ladle of cane sugar syrup. You can also use fructose or invert sugar syrup, but we really want that natural sweetness. And then you give it a very good stir so that all is blended very nicely, and then you add your ice however much you like. And then add a generous amount of popping balls. We use lychee flavor, but you can also use honey, strawberry, cherry, lemon, anything. You can customize it however you want. And then lastly, add the beautifully looking flowers. Spring is finally around the corner. We have waited a very long time for this, so let's celebrate it with a very delicious drink. So that was it. Short but delicious. Let us know what you think or how you've customized it. And for more tips and tricks about bubble tea, follow us on our YouTube channel and our TikTok page. Bye bye!